Hello, my name is Odelia Lazaro, and this is my presentations of Ontology and Rules of MMM. When I was a child, I saw how hard and poor the situation of my family. My father worked only as a construction worker, and my mother worked as a laundry woman. That's why even my parents have not enough income, I pursue myself to study well, for someday I will help them likewise to raise poverty. Because I saw some children eating delicious food, wearing beautiful dress and nice shoes, and live in big and beautiful house. Whereas my family and some other families lack of those things and small budget income to things in life. Sometimes I ask myself why this is happening, why we have unequal society. Until such time I reach my goal, at last I finish my study. I find work and I employ. I thought now that I have work, I can provide all things. I can buy what I want and to earn enough savings to help my family. But whatever overtime and work I pursue, still no changes I saw in my hardship. Until one day, a friend introduced me about MMM. What is MMM? MMM is Community of Mutual Financial Aid and Donation Exchange. MMM is not a company. It is not a business or HYIP. In MMM, there is no boss or owner. MMM is not a bank, and it does not collect any money funds. MMM is a community where people help each other. MMM gives us a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. How does it work? MMM does not give guarantee. MMM does not promise you that you are going to be rich in joining MMM. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own goodwill to another one, absolutely gratis. Participants transfer money directly to each other, meaning peer-to-peer transaction. For example, you donate 2,500 pesos. The system will reward you a marble also worth 2,500 pesos. Marble is an internal currency of the system. Your donation will start to grow 30% per month the moment you click the Provide Help button and finish the process. For example, your donation is 2,500 pesos. It will grow 30% per month, and on its first month, it will grow 3,300 pesos. But if you want to get it after 12 months, the amount you are going to get help from the community will be 58,300 pesos. It is amazing, right? What are the goals of MMM? The goals of MMM are to help all people in the world, especially those in need. Distribute money among the people so that they gain financial freedom. Create a new fair financial system. Break the chain of financial slavery. Create a much better world. What are the advantages of MMM? The advantages of MMM are it will grow 30% per month your donation, plus 20% up to 100% mobile growth per month, called MMM Extra after completed daily tasks, online and offline tasks, plus 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited, plus $20, $50, $100 first time help. It means registration bonus, plus 5% bonus for video after get help. It means you will get 5% bonus if you show your face in the video and 30% if letter only. And chance to win a lottery raffle every Wednesday. Means no payment for this lottery. It's free. In MMM, we use Bitcoin in transferring donation and participants. Account in its use also for receiving and sending money. The advantages of Bitcoin is fast and easy transaction, very low transaction fees anywhere in the world, independent in a central authority. It means it is not controlled by the central authority. And we use blockchain.info. The rules of MMM is to donate only spare of your money. Avoid creating multiple accounts, meaning dummy account, just to get the first time help bonus. Avoid sharing one computer and multiple login in one IP address. In MMM, there is no guarantee. Remember, there is always a risk in everything. That's why we have to take a risk. Be honest and kind in sending your provide help. If unable to comply with the above rules mentioned, will result of the blocking of account and will not be part of the community and will not allowed to use the system anymore. Sergey Mobrudy is a founder and leader of the MMM social financial community. Having a degree in mathematics, worked as a programmer, and took part in the development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they are sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. Thank you, Sergey Mobrudy, for sharing your ideology and for the system you created for us. We owe a lot from you. We pray that God will grant you a long life, so that you will witness a lot of success of your masterpiece. Through this unique MMM, my life changed. Thank you very much. In MMM, together we can change the world.